welcome back to Games with Scotty. I'm Scotty. We're here. We're gonna talk to this ghost guy again because he has like a pile of Halloween costumes back there. Awkward. I'm working right now. I mean, welcome to Blook Family Snail Farm. Yeah, I'm the only employee. This place used to get a lot of business, but our main customer disappeared one day. Now it's just some hairy guy that shows up once a month. Alright, that's fine. I'll catch you later. Is this a snail race? Oh, you're back. Dude, I want to bet on the blue snail. The snails will race, and if the yellow snail wins, you win. What? If the yellow snail wins, I win? So I don't even get to pick the color? You're just gonna tell me it's the yellow one? There's gotta be something bookie. You know this game. I know this game. There's gotta be some bookie business going on here. But I'm gonna go ahead and play because I just made $80 selling those ball shoes. Okay, press Z repeatedly to encourage your snail. Okay, ready? Ready? Yes. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm really pressing Z. I'm really pressing Z. Oh, I'm kicking butt. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you going? I'm pressing Z like a mother. Come on. Should I stop? Come on, don't blow up on me. Look, the red snail's gonna win. Oh my god. Come on, transform, evolve, do something. Oh my. Are you? What? Oh, it looks like you encouraged the snail too much. All that pressure to succeed really got to her. Oh. What? I put too much pressure? Hey, what do you want me to do? Do you want to play a game? It's called Thunder Snail. The snail will race, and if the yellow snail wins, you win. Alright, I'm gonna play again. This time I ain't gonna press nothing. Okay, plus Z repeatedly encourage your snail. Ready? Nope, I ain't gonna say nothing. She's an independent young snail. She can do whatever she wants. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And you're still losing. Race end. Excuse me. You both tried your best, but the snail looks discouraged. Her best wasn't good enough. Oh. I ain't gonna give you no more money, you piece of garbage. That's quite the insult because, you know, garbage is like what he does. Now we're back here. Okay, alright, now at least I understand a little bit of how this place works. So we're gonna head up to this third section over here. Whoa, we got a fish. It's a dummy. What? It's a living. Alright, I'm done with you. Can I come in here, Mr. Fish? Doesn't seem like anyone's home. Well, that's BS. It's BS. There's someone home. There's only one place left to go. And it's with the little duck. What can I help you with? This little bird wants to carry you across. She wants to carry me. That bird's gonna drown. That bird's gonna drown if she try to carry me. I'm gonna try it anyway. Holy crap. No. There's gotta be some BS going on here. What? This little 3-pixel bird just carried a grown, not really grown, but some kid across. What? I remember you. Wasn't this the place where I... Wait a minute. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Yeah, you're saying the same thing. I do remember you. But where do I go? This guy! I thought I went to like the underground. I thought I was like in a new area, but now here's this guy again. I'm thinking about getting into the telescope business. It's normally 50,000 GCs for premium telescope, but is it deja vu? How's about it? Use a telescope? No. Well, come back whenever you want. What about up here? What was up here? Was this the puzzle with the no. Ah, it's this guy. I gave you business. But I was already here. This is where I kicked... Well, no, I didn't kick Undyne's ass. She kind of, like, sent me to hell. To the trash. Because she's being a wuss. Why didn't she kill me? There has to be a reason why she didn't kill me, right? She could have killed me. Oh, she... Oh, okay. Not gonna let me flee, are you? You son of a gun. I'm out of here. There you go. The second time's a charm. What do I do now? Alright, let's go back up here. I'm just going in circles, aren't I? Look, it's this guy. If he says the same thing, I'm just gonna turn around and go back to the village. I'm gonna try to talk to him. I can't. Did you hear? You're back! I'll tell you a big secret. I'm starting a band, you hear? It's called Red Hot Chibi Peppers. All I've thought of is the name, and I don't play instruments or sing. Well, do you think we'll be popular? Yeah! Yeah, me too. I'm being a little too nice to everybody. Is that it? Is that all you gotta tell me? That's all that's new? Oh, I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it back because I don't have a... Oh my god. I don't have the cheese. What? It's a little dude. Was that guy there before? 3 gold for the ferry? Yeah. Where are you taking me? Whoa! You drowning me. Thanks for stepping on my face. Here's the 3 gold. You got 3 gold. Oh. Oh, you sick person. Hey, I have a great idea. Let's hang out with Undyne later. I'll call you when I'm ready. I ain't gonna hang out with no Undyne. Although she didn't kill me. Like, she could have killed me. Or maybe she meant to. Alright, this is what I mean, but I say let's go up. I guess I haven't been to this section yet. Let's play Monsters and Humans. What? A mustache. Ah, to be young again. The world sure felt boundless. Are these... Is this like a rock family? You aren't gonna make me be the human again, are you? Okay. Ah, what a beautiful knock. Maybe if I don't answer, I'll hear it again. I did. I knocked again. Ah, my patience rewards me. Ah. That's fine. Oh, look at that. Oh, you're the one that's been chucking these ice cubes. But why? Are they trying to cool down the lake? Can I talk to him? No, he's too busy. He's too busy being buff. Let's keep going up. Let's keep going up. Oh, finally. I was afraid that we were going to come to a dead end. But we get a phone call. Who's it by? Hello, can I speak to G? Wait a second. Is this the wrong number? Oh, it's the wrong number! The wrong number song. Okay. We're very, very sorry that we got it wrong. Oh, it's the wrong number. The wrong number song. We're very, very sorry that we got it wrong. Click. That was it? Oh, never mind. Then I'm stuck. I got nowhere. I ain't got nothing to do. And if I did, I'm sorry. Some kind of secret passage I don't know about. Oh, oh my god. This game is just... They didn't give me any indication that this was the right way to go. So it's not my fault. Ah, crap. I can only see around me now. Let's go up here. There seems to be like a purple thing over there somewhere. I don't know what to do. What if I'm stuck here forever because I don't know what to do? I really want to know what that purple thing is. Oh, great. What now? More bunk kicks. I'm gonna go ahead and kick their butt. What? I ain't afraid of you. I ain't afraid of you. Honestly though, it's gonna take too long. Oh what, you're not ready? This guy's not ready? Ah, I spared the homie's life. But whoa! What are you doing? You're turning into some centipede. Oh, that's right. Use bubble attack. Mold's big? You mean she's bigger? A bigger piece of mold? 46 XP, 32 gold. That's enough to make 3 more races for the yellow snail. Making me mad. I think I'm going the right way. I don't know because they don't tell me if you are. I already saw that purple thing though. Crap. Are you serious? You're gonna keep trying to go down and down, 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 down. Is this fun? Is this fun to watch? Alright, since I know for a fact that this is not the most exciting gameplay, and I've already montaged like half of this damn episode, I'm gonna call it an episode for now, and I'm gonna try to find my way out the next time. And if I do, I'll let you know. I'm gonna try going up and to the right. Dang, it's so long. Okay, I'll catch you guys next time. Later.